Mark 6 GTI tow hook kit. Let's get started. But first, I need a makeshift table. Let's get this guy. Then we're gonna grab our tow hook kit. Everything I need is right here. Let's get started. This is gonna be all the required things you're gonna need for this install. So the first thing we're gonna do is remove this tow hook cover so we can thread the rod into there. All right, so how we're gonna achieve this, I have my handy dandy. It's like a plastic trim removal tool. I'm gonna stick it right in here at the top piece. Push it in there and push it down. And just sort of wedge it out of there. Should be able to just pull her out now. Yep, perfect. And you're gonna have this little string on here and it's attached in here. You're gonna just pull it out of there. Next thing, we're gonna take this little rod here. We're gonna thread this side into there. One thing you're gonna wanna keep note, this is actually reverse threaded. So that means instead of spinning to the right, you're gonna actually spin to the left to tighten it. So we're gonna go in, feel for the threads, and we're actually gonna turn it to the left to tighten it. There we go. Perfect. So you're gonna take your 3/4 inch socket, put it on the wrench. You're gonna go counterclockwise because it's reverse threaded. And you just go into a snug fit. That's just to ensure your license plate doesn't come off your car. All right, so the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take this plate, this other piece, and this little screw. You're gonna put them together. So they're gonna go like this. Like this guy, it's gonna go on the back side of it. You're gonna grab the front side of it. You're gonna take this piece, and that's gonna sit in there, almost like a little ball. So the flat piece facing towards you. And you're gonna take that screw and it's gonna go through the front of this and then through the front of the tow hook thing. So I'm gonna put this together and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So this is what I have. So I have screw, and I have that other little piece here that's pivots inside of there. Then I got the larger one on the back side, and the screw is going right through the middle, through it all. And this is gonna allow for angle adjustment. So now I'm gonna take it over here and I'm gonna start to screw it into this on the front of this. Now I have my screwdriver. I'm gonna start to tighten this up. So next up, we're gonna take this plate, these little screws here, I'm gonna tighten them in, and these allow you to put it in multiple different locations depending on where you like it. Now what the instructions tell you is you only do 1/4 of a turn after you first start to feel some resistance. These are very tiny screws with fine threads. I'll get this last one in here and then we'll apply our plate and see what it looks like. So now that I've taken the front plate off here, I'm gonna take the bolts that was supplied in the kit here, put them through my plate, and put them on there. This one is gonna come off and we're gonna see what it looks like on the front end. So I can already tell, that looks much better. Yo, guess who just pulled up right as your boy was finishing up? Shotty, she coming with that dinner though. It's goody. Yo, tell me what you think.
Oh.
It's off to the side so we can eventually get a front mount intercooler in there.
Looks nice.
Oh yeah, let's go. And that's the finished product. Looking pretty clean. All right, so if you saw any value from this video, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button down below. I can't wait to see you in the next video. That was just a quick mod to put on the car. Hopefully you follow those instructions if you're trying to do this on your vehicle. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Peace.